All right, hey YouTube, Male Cat Lady back here again. So yeah, if you saw my other video about my the eBay fittings that I had, and my little spiel on my bad luck with my XSPC Rotary 90-degree fittings, I just wanted to kind of show in this little thing here, I guess what happened, or what I guess not what happened, but what I experienced with them, and why I probably won't be buying their fittings anymore. And very much so probably sticking with, yeah, he's pissed about it too. Just my eBay fittings in the future. Because I'm sure you saw that video too. But yeah, so I'll just roll a clip over this. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, there's some major leaking going on with these things. I don't understand why. I think it's probably just maybe slightly low quality, poor design maybe. They're really bulky fittings. They're much bigger than most other rotary fittings that I've used. I don't know why they're so bulbous and big, but maybe that's why they kind of leak. But yeah, you can see all the leaking and stuff going on, dripping down onto my monitor, and it leaked all over the back side of my wall mount board, the back board of it, the back side of it. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe you guys didn't have, maybe you guys had good luck with it, bad luck. I don't know. Leave a comment if you like or dislike their fittings. I've been using their barbed fittings forever now, and I've not had an issue with those. But then again, there's nothing really aside from, it's just a straight through thing. There's nothing, no moving parts or anything about it. So I'd buy their barb fittings, but at the same time, well, you can buy them so much cheaper than on eBay. Not worth paying XSPC prices. I use their radiators and stuff still, and I have one of their pumps on there, and it's kind of a loud pump, but a lot better stuff out there than the XSPC. They seem to be kind of bottom of the barrel as far as that stuff goes. But I don't know, maybe you've had good experience, maybe not, but I definitely had a bad one as it leaked everywhere. They thankfully didn't damage anything while leaking. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoyed my mini rant on XSPC fittings leaking. Thanks for watching.